Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. I didn't talk about it quickly because it didn't contain any security hazards or problems. I would have immediately made a video if it was for security reasons. But since we don't have a lot of information and it is really for performance and bug fixes, as they say, Google Chrome had an update this week. So 2 days ago, you had a little update to the Google Chrome web browser. If you go on the upper right in the 3 vertical dots, help and about Chrome, you will be moved on to 111.0.5563, and your ending here is .110 or 111, depending on your computer. This is both for Mac and Windows, and apparently, as they say, it's a very small increment. It went from 110 to 111, so it must be a very minor thing that they fixed. But they do say, in general terms, performance and bug fixing. So there's something that probably was wrong with Google Chrome for some, and they fixed it in the browser. So it does not contain any security features. If you use it every day, it probably already was updated, and that is, of course, just a minor little thing for Google Chrome. We've had this month, I've had a lot of people talking to me about how, what I was thinking about how, big 40 security flaws fixed, including the 0 days that how bad it was for Chrome. But they fixed it all. And, one of the things that came to mind when I saw this update was, could it be some more security fixes because something didn't go right? But no, it's just bug fixes, so nothing bad in here. So that's why I didn't really, sometimes people, will ask me, oh, you didn't talk about the latest update to Chrome. When there's really not a lot, sometimes if I don't have too much time on my hands, I might not immediately talk about it. One thing for sure, if it was for security, you would have known just an hour or two after the update. Those I always do very, very quickly because I want to make sure everybody stays safe. So once again, a small update for Mac and for Windows and the Google Chrome browser. And as they say, bug fixes and performance, bug and performance fixes, basically. If you enjoy my videos, I had a hard time with this one. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.